Well, here we are at the supermarket. Hey guys, have you ever noticed how many amazing colors there are in the world?
There are so many colors everywhere. Over here and over there.
Well, what are your favorite colors?
Let's take turns. Who first? Me! Green, green, I love green. It's my favorite color I've ever seen. Broccoli is always green. Prickly artichokes are green. Lettuce and kale and spinach are green. Even my green beans are green. Green, green, I love green.
Who's next?
Me, please. Blue, blue, I love blue. It's my favorite color.
It's mine too.
On a sunny day, the sky's blue. And the big wide sea is blue. From space, the planet Earth is blue. And so is Lola's outfit too. Blue, blue, I love blue.
It's your turn, Ollie. I think I know what your favorite color is.
Red, red, I love red. It's my favorite color. Red, red, red. Cherries and strawberries are red. Yummy, juicy apples are red. Little ladybugs are red. And old MacDonald's barn is red. Red, red, I love red.
My turn. Yellow, yellow, I love yellow. It's the favorite color of this here fellow. Tasty, sweet bananas are yellow. Juicy, sour lemons are yellow. Corn on the cob is yellow. The yolk in a chicken's egg is yellow. Sorry. Yellow, yellow, I love yellow.
There are colors everywhere. Over here and over there. So many colors in the world to see. All for you.
Hey everyone, who wants to learn the ABCs?
Yay! Miss, can we play a game?
Yes, Ollie. What do you want to play?
An alphabet hunt. I'll hide the letters in the classroom and we all can build this pyramid again.
Sure!
Let's go!
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S. Just a few more. You're doing very well. T U V W X Y and Z. Voila! That was fantastic, kids! Now, let's sing it together!
Yay! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
Johny Johny
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar?
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Baby Dewey. Yes, brother. Eating sugar. No, brother. Telling lies. No, brother. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Baby Dewey. Yes, sister. Eating sugar. No, sister. Telling lies. No, sister. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Baby Dewey. Yes, mommy.
Eating sugar?
No, mommy.
Are you sure?
Yes, mommy.
Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha.
Baby Dewey,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar.
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha.
The Finger Family. Daddy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, go away. Rain, go away, come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, go away. Rain, go away, come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Our family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse went up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse went up the clock. The clock struck 2, the mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse went up the clock. The clock struck 3, the mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse went up the clock. The clock struck 4, the mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse went up the clock. The clock struck 5, the mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse went up the clock. The clock struck 6, the mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock.